In reversible inhibition, the inhibitor causes the loss of enzyme activity, but it does not form covalent bonds with the enzyme. So inhibitor, in this case, inhibitor does not form covalent bonds with the enzyme. It does not form covalent bonds with the enzyme. Now there are two types of reversible inhibitors. One is the competitive inhibitor. Okay. Now here what happens is there will be an inhibitor that can compete for the enzyme active site. So if we say that this is our enzyme active site as usual, okay, this is our enzyme active site, right? And the enzyme has as usual alpha helices and beta sheets and globular protein, right? This whole thing, right? So technically what can fit in here, let's say a substrate that looks like this can fit here, right? But an inhibitor can be like this as well. Okay, and an inhibitor can look like this, right? So this part of the structure of the inhibitor, this part of the structure of the inhibitor can compete with the substrate. So technically we expect from here our inhibitor, our enzyme to go like this with the substrate, okay, bind like this to form a enzyme substrate complex, and then eventually give us the enzyme that looks like this and some products, okay, some products. But if this inhibitor competes for this space, right, what is going to happen? Instead of this reaction going this way, we'll get another reaction that might go this way. So what's happening? Our inhibitor is competing for the active site. So we want this product, but we're not getting it. Here this inhibitor is stopping from this reaction to take place. So this is a competitive inhibitor.